Ashley, and today we have Miss Cassandra Rhodes with us. Miss Cassandra is a native of Chicago but relocated here to Atlanta in 2016. She is a wife, a mother of one, and a grandmother to 2 grandchildren. She is also the proud owner of the Gumbo Gourmet, and today we're going to be discussing how a business idea can translate to a generational wealth planning strategy for you and your family. Now let's get into this. Okay, Ms. Cassandra, when you think about the idea of legacy, are there any traditions or recipes that you wish to pass down to your family for your legacy?
Actually, yes. One of the things that's really funny is growing up, I would call my daughter into the kitchen when I was cooking and say, Khadijah, come here, watch me do this. And, while she was seeming disinterested, as an adult now, my daughter's 30 years old, she's an amazing cook, and I can only imagine it came from her coming in and having to lean on the counter and watch me do these techniques. She's actually one of the other only people in the world who knows how to make the Gumbo Gourmet recipe, believe it or not. And so that is one of the things that I know is already kind of there. However, if I were to talk about passing down a legacy, it would really be the brainchild of how to be an entrepreneur. How to make the business, how to use what you have to get what you want. You may not be where you want to be, but get there one step at a time. If I want to leave something, I want them to look at the story, look at my journey, and pull from it the tenacity that it takes to overcome triggers, overcome trials, overcome mental breakdowns in the midst of the things that you're going through. I want to pass down the strength that it takes to get through those moments. I love to pass down the courage that it takes to even start, right? And take the chance with the fear of failing. I want to pass down the idea of failing forward. It's okay to fail. But when you fail, whatever you learn, you have to apply it immediately and keep moving forward. So if I were to pass down some things, the recipe is great, but because it is an authentic recipe, it's not really just proprietary to me. There are secrets of it, but it's more about the what it takes to make it happen that I prefer to pass down.
I like that. Thank you for sharing that with us.
Thank you for asking.
Subscribe to my channel to learn more about probate real estate, financial literacy, and generational wealth planning.